Hi, I'm Steve Root. This is Root's Kitchens, Bedrooms, Bathroom. When I grew up, I remember watching Star Trek and seeing Captain Jean-Luc Picard walking up to a replicator and saying, "Tea, Earl Grey, hot," and it magically appearing. We're not there yet, but we're getting closer. This is the new Neff oven that we've just put on display. It has built-in Wi-Fi similar to the hob that I demonstrated earlier in the year, but now the app talks to if this then that and Amazon and Echoes and all that sort of stuff, which means I can do things like this. Alexa, trigger pizza time. And after we say that, we then get the Italian flag and an oven that switches on, ready to make our pizza. It's all good fun. I'll hopefully do a video later in the week to show how you can set this up if you've got that for yourselves at home. But for now, I'm Steve Root. This is Root's Kitchens, Bedrooms, Bathrooms. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. If you found it useful, please click like. If you're looking for a kitchen, bedroom and bathroom done well and you live local to our showroom in Faversham, please come and visit our shop. But any other questions, leave comments and I'll do my best to answer them all.